out the ingredient bag inside. Then, buckle the rubber pad